If I bought another Jeep Rubicon tomorrow, these are the first mods I'd install all over again. Some of these mods are popular upgrades, some are cheap Amazon finds, and a few are things most Jeep owners probably never think about. The common theme is simple. Every one of these has made my Jeep more useful for camping, off-roading, overlanding, and even daily driving. So let's get into my top 10 early mods. This is Anvil Atlas. Starting at number 10, my Amazon gun and knife magnet is probably the cheapest mod on the list. This magnetic mount gives me a simple way to secure a pistol, a knife, or other metal items where I can reach them quickly. It's one of those little convenience upgrades that costs very little but gets used all the time. And speaking of small upgrades that make a huge difference, number 9, my bullet point mounting solutions Picatinny rail. The bullet point Picatinny rail gives me flexibility for mounting radios, phones, a camera, and other accessories without cluttering up the dash. As I started adding electronics to the Jeep, having a solid mounting system became more important than I expected. No suction cups, no bouncing around, everything stays right where it belongs. Next is something purely cosmetic, but I still think it's worth doing. Number 8, the Distinction Applied paint-matched keyhole covers. Those exposed door keyholes always stood out to me. The paint-matched covers clean up the appearance and make the Jeep look a little more finished. It's one of those small details that most people won't notice, but Jeep owners usually do. Now, let's move into the cargo area. Number 7 is my Amazon wheel well storage cubbies. Storage is always at a premium when you're camping or traveling, especially in a Jeep. These wheel well trays use space that would otherwise be completely wasted. I keep small tools, straps, and other random items in these things. They're inexpensive and help keep the Jeep organized. Another small item that I didn't expect to appreciate as much as I do, number 6 on my list, the American Adventure Lab paper towel holder. This might sound ridiculous until you've actually spent some time at camp. Paper towels are one of those things that you're just constantly reaching for. Cooking, cleaning, wiping down gear, whatever you might need them for. Having them mounted securely instead of rolling around on the Jeep or in some random spot has been surprisingly useful. All right, now we're getting into some mods I use on almost every trip in my Jeep. Number 5 is the ICOM 2730 ham radio. I've talked about radio communications on this channel before. For me, ham radio adds a level of capability that cell phones simply can't provide. Whether I'm traveling, camping solo, or communicating with other vehicles, it's a tool that I genuinely use all the time. And unlike some mods, this one provides value every time I hit the road. All right, this next upgrade is simple, clean, and gets used every night at camp. And it's number 4, my Amazon hockey puck lights. Hockey puck lights completely changed my camping setup. They're inexpensive, easy to install, and they provide light when I need it. Whether I'm cooking, organizing gear, or just setting up camp after dark, these lights earn their place in my Jeep. Next is one of my favorite camping-specific upgrades. Number 3, the Outback Adventures Trailgater Table. This table adds usable workspace exactly when I need it. Cooking, meal prep, gear organization, whatever. When you're camping out of a Jeep, every square inch matters, and this gives me dedicated workspace without taking up my already limited cargo space. All right, now we're getting into the mods that really changed how I use the Jeep. Number 2, the ARB twin compressor, specifically on the Grim off-road inside the wheel well mount. The compressor actually lives right in there. You have to remove the fender and install the compressor, but as you can see, it enables me to connect my air hose so that I can air up my tires after I air down from going on some rough terrain. As far as my air hose goes, I've got this air hose kit from 4x4 Colorado. I've actually had this for a few years, and I did a review on this kit on my other channel, 24 Wheelers, and I'll leave a link in the description. The ARB twin compressor was a major upgrade. Being able to air down and then air back up anywhere that I might find myself is incredibly valuable. Whether I'm off-road, traveling long distances, helping someone else on the trail even. This is one of those tools that pays for itself every single time. It is expensive, but I'd buy it again without any hesitation. And number 1 might actually be the most important upgrade on the entire Jeep. That's my DIY cargo platform. My DIY cargo platform changed everything. It gave me organization, storage, a better camping setup, and a dedicated place for all the gear that I carry. Almost every other modification on this list works better because of this platform. If I had to start all over again tomorrow, this would definitely be the first project that I would tackle. So those are the 10 early mods I'd absolutely do again on my Jeep Rubicon. Some are expensive, some are cheap, but every one of them has made the Jeep more practical for the way that I use it. I'd love to hear what your first mods were or what you'd recommend adding next. And if you're interested in Jeep camping, overlanding, gear reviews, and road trip adventures, consider subscribing to my channel because that's exactly what this channel is all about. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, whether on the trail or on the road, I'll see you out there.